This is how I made $2 every 60 seconds directly to my PayPal account. It's completely free and works worldwide. So like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with these very lesser-known money-making ways. If you're ready, let's dive into step number 1. Head over to YouTube. But don't worry, you won't be creating or posting videos on your own channel. You don't even need a channel for this method. All you have to do is search for different Make Money Online channels. You can explore channels or consider options like Incognito Money, Finance Girl, How to Make Money Online with Dave Nick, Cash Pro, or any other available channels. Open different Make Money Online channels, just as you see on the screen. Leave these channels open on the screen, just like this. Next, proceed to Facebook.com and create a brand new account specifically for this method. Even if you already have a Facebook account, it's recommended to create a fresh one. After creating your account, head over to Sniply.io. Sniply is a tool that lets you add your own call to action buttons to nearly any website or article. I'll show you how to use this free tool to potentially earn over $2 in just 60 seconds. Simply go to Sniply.io and register by clicking the Sign In button in the top right corner. This will take you to the registration page. Fill in the required information to create your Sniply account. Once you're logged in, you'll find a tutorial video explaining how to use it. You can choose to watch it or close it for now. They'll also introduce you to the main features of the website. For now, click on this button, and it will take you to your Sniply account dashboard. Return to YouTube and open a channel in the Make Money Online niche. In this example, I'm using this channel. Navigate to their video section, and you'll find a range of videos teaching people how to make money online. Your task is simple. Select videos with free in the title, indicating no investment is required for the strategy to work. For instance, I'll use this one. Copy and paste to earn $12,000 per week for free. Right-click on the video and select Copy Link Address. Now return to the Sniply tool, paste the video's URL in this box, and click Create Snip. Here's how it will appear. We've added a call to action to that specific video. Choose New Call to Action and select your existing profile or brand. Next, I will select Button to show my call to action. Now here you have to enter your message. I want you to leave it just like that for now. Move on to AFPlus.com. A CPA offers a network offering thousands of different CPA offers, most of which are available worldwide, including the United States, Canada, the Philippines, India, and Pakistan. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, meaning you can promote various CPA offers and earn commissions when people complete simple actions, such as providing their email address or name. No purchases are required for you to earn. To get started, come to the top of AFPlus.com and search for surveys. So our focus is on survey offers, and as you can see, just by getting someone to sign up on various survey websites, we can earn anywhere from $1 to $3, or even as much as $6 per sign-up through our affiliate links. For example, we'll explore numerous offers, including $2 and $1 options, among others, as you can see on the screen. As you can observe, people simply need to come here and complete a straightforward registration process, providing basic information like their name, email address, and sometimes even their street address. When they sign up for free, we earn $2 just for their registration. They can then start making money by participating in various surveys. This method stands out as one of the easiest and simplest ways to make money online. It's relatively easy to get people to sign up for a website where they don't have to spend any money but can earn. All you need to do is select offers like this one that pay $2 per sign-up. Join the network associated with that offer by clicking the Join Network button, which will take you to a registration page where you can obtain your affiliate link for that offer. Depending on the network, you can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account or use other payment options available on the network. Once you've copied your affiliate link from the network for that offer, let's say this is my affiliate link. You'll paste it here. Now return to the Sniply tool. Enter your message here. You might want to say something attention-grabbing like, "Make free money with this website." You can customize your call to action further if you'd like. I'm including free because it tends to capture people's attention. You can change the button text to something like "Sign up here" or "Learn more." Most importantly, replace this with your affiliate link. Delete the existing link and paste your affiliate link in this box. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they'll be directed to the sign up page. and you'll earn $2 for their registration. Finally, click the Continue button at the bottom, and you can further customize the button if desired. Then, click Finish CTA and let it load. Now that we have our Sniply set up, let me demonstrate how it looks in action. Simply copy your Sniply link from here and paste it into a new tab. This will show you how it appears. Here's the video titled Copy and Paste to earn $12,000 per week for free. When someone starts watching this video, they'll see your call to action button below, which says, "Make free money with this website." When they click on this button, they'll be redirected to a page where they can sign up for free and start making money by completing surveys. You're not only helping them earn money with this website, but also getting paid $2 for their sign-up. The final step is to start driving traffic to your Sniply URL and enjoy the profits. So grab your Sniply URL by clicking the Copy button right here in step number 6. Now, return to your brand new Facebook account that we created at the beginning of this video. Once you're there, search for different Make Money Online groups, work from home groups, and other groups related to making money online. You can select groups from the list, and you'll find thousands of different groups with hundreds of thousands of members interested in making money online. What you want to do is open various groups in new tabs. For example, open this group, another one here, and maybe this one as well. Each of these groups has thousands of members interested in making money online. There are countless such groups, offering immense potential to earn a substantial income. Your task is straightforward. Create a post in these groups, saying something like, "If you want to earn $12,000 per week for free, just type in the info below this post, and I will send you a step-by-step video for free." When people see this, they will start engaging with your post. This is crucial because you want to boost your post to the top. Because if your post isn't getting any engagement, it can quickly get buried under the constant stream of posts from other members in these groups. As people begin engaging with your post, it will rise to the top of the group, making it visible to all the members. They will type info in your post comments, indicating their interest. That's when you could share your Sniply link with them. You can tell them that they can watch the video right here. When they click on your Sniply link, they will be directed to this video where they will see your call to action that says, "Make free money with this website." They click on it, sign up, and voila, you earn $2. This method holds massive potential because you can utilize numerous Facebook groups for this purpose, and you can use various channels and their different videos to maximize your results. We hope someone out of you will benefit from this video. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing useful money-making hacks like this.